me. Welcome to my Onam special videos. Today I'm going to show you a Onam special Payasam. Palada Payasam. This is the king of the Payasams. Don't worry, I'll show you an easy method using cooker. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Let's go to kitchen. For this we need milk, water, sugar and ada. We'll do this in cooker. First add sugar. Now we'll add water. Add milk. Mix well until the sugar is melted. Don't switch on the flame now. Wait for the sugar to melt. Now the sugar is melted, we'll switch on the flame. Don't close the lid, let the milk boil. In the meantime, we'll cook the ada. Take a pan and pour some water. Let it boil. Now the water is boiled, we'll put ada. Cook for 20 minutes. Now the milk is boiled, we'll close the lid. Now cook in low flame for 1.5 hours. Now this is cooked. Take a strainer and drain the water. Now pour some normal water. Let it dry for some time. Now the milk is ready. See the color. To get this color, we need minimum 1 hour. If whistle comes before that, switch off the flame for 5 minutes and again start it after 5 minutes. Now we'll add ada. Now cook for 15 minutes. Palada is ready. Please try this for Onam. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share the family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe.